This button right here is plays with the elevator. And we got a Dover is what we have. 5 more clothes. There we go. Sorry about that. That took a little long, but that's okay. Look out the window. Good motor sound. We're in downtown Chattanooga, Tennessee. Oh, nice. One. There's your phone. I'm gonna try the other elevator and see what it's like. Look how big that button is. There's a vending machine. I'm gonna set it up to 5 as we move on for the next elevator. Very slow. It's very slow sometimes, but that's not a big of a deal. It just goes with that button. Okay, here we go. Next elevator. That was quick. That's better than the first one. I'll feel the little things going. So Dover is what I like. Same phone. Number 2 light does not work. Now, I'm gonna go over to the vending machine and get me a drink. What do we have? Vendors. Of course, I'm pulling up the wrong wallet. Question is, will it take $5 bills or will it just be ones? It took the 5. Yeah, I thought at first it would have done dollar coins, but I was wrong, but I get to go back on the same elevator I was on. So, we'll go back to 2. We're in the Ninja Cat, the elevator. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching one of these videos. I hope to see you in the next one that I'll do. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave me some cool comments. Ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my videos. I'll see you next time. Have fun, everybody.